Bernard D. Malabanan II. And for the clarinet section, Alisa May A. Gardula. Ramshed John Ray Ramirez. Jerry H. Lean. Aylan Kurt G. Peregrino. And from the saxophone sections, the baritone saxophone, Errol G. B. Nakira. The tenor saxophone, Mary Brizal P. Bantillo. Laji May A. Londo. And our soprano and alto saxophone, Renzi B. Ocampo. And the alto saxophones, Rienzi P. C. Olivares. Angelo M. Garcia. John Gabriel B. Salazar. Francesca Leona I. Panganiban. Melvin John B. Vibor. Mon Louis B. Anga from the clarinet sections. Dustin Ernest E. Alfonso. Madeline M. Kagiwa. Mara Elaine A. Maniego. Eliza Joy P. Gonzalez. Ana Eliza M. Castro. Gia S. J. Herrera. Darich S. Balam. Eliza Jas L. Gonzaga. And from the brass sections, first the trombone, Sia Andre Omoyo. Angelo G. Cañas. Bena La Morena D.G. Herman. Jim Patrick M. Moreno. Ives John Luke G. Santo Tomas. Fernando Andre Arceo. And from the trombone, Andre C. Ramos. Vince Edward G. Ignacio. Radnahelo S. Gonzalez. Next, from the euphonium baritone section, Scaraya Royal J. Capo. Ram Radjanedi M. Sabala. The soloist. Next, John Chris P. Mendoza. Brian Romel Cedric De La Rosa. Giorgino G. Gestro. And from the French horn section, Chris Ibarra C. Victorero. Aaron Stephen A. Lipko. Lawrence P. Mendoza. Miyagi A. Magno. Mark Gino A. Gonzalez. Erickson Joseph M. Castro. And from the tuba saxophone section, Dominador A. Cabanes. Jed Rabiel C. Panganiban. Rogelio M. Giron Jr. Hans Tampok. John Andre P. Bayan. From the percussion, timpani mallet sections, Gabriel Rico E. Ricasata. Carlene Benson C. Manalo. John Russell F. Talawe. Clyde Benjamin M. Francisco. Heister M. Pascual. Sayon Powell Conde. Cyron James E. Baez from the trumpet sections. Jaden Matthew B. Lejano. Mark Jason M. Urbina. Francis Paul M. Sanson. Cassius Yani F. Juan. Joseph John B. Balingit. Ma Andre G. Piñera. Francis Albert D. Katindig. Justin M. Apolinario. 6. During the Cam 6. Thank you, Mr. Franz Ramirez. And next, from the clarinet section, a clarinet instructor, Raimundo Masi Nazaro. And also we have, from the basun instructor, Arnaldo Bobby M. Pistol. And next we have the saxophone instructor, Joffrey Serafin G. Anubina. And from the French horn instructor and also the intonation instructor, Benito F. San Jose. The trumpet instructor, John Philip R. Santa Ana. And Roxy R. Octaviano. Yes, the campaign. Actually, the instructors po ay previous offers. Also, yan, serve po sila as instructors dito sa akin. Maraming salamat po. Next, we have Roxy R. Octaviano. Next, from the trombone instructor, another former camper, Jordan Samuel B. San Jose. And also from the tuba euphonium, the lower blocks, Jose Jasper C. Anda. And next, wala pa sila dito pero nag-serve po sila for so many days. From the percussion instructor, Noel D. Crisostomo. And next, from the theory instructor and also the values educator for this camp, Miss Techi Bong Esquin. And also we would like to acknowledge the camp director, Arnaldo Bombi and Custodio. And also our conductor and our music director, Mr. Romy F. San Jose. Ito ba, nag-serve din po si Sir, pero kailangan ko nila umalis. And our technical supervisor and also the Brian is Franco A. Octaviano. And our technical supervisor ng Brian, ang aming light director ng activity sa Universal Judgment is Raymond H. Tonke. And ang kanyang assistant ng Brian, our assistant ng Brian is Mr. Dennis Julian D. Mayoraldo. Our camp treasurer, Miss Madonna Unsana. And also yours truly, from the camp secretary. And dati ko din akong amper, and yan po, ako po si Jerome Isaiah. Si Bando. And also we would like to acknowledge, kung wala po sila, di po kami mabubusog, di po sila tatanggap. Hindi po maayos yung aming stage, lahat ng mga ginagamit po namin dito. We would like to acknowledge our cook and kitchen staff. So we have Miss Maria Epe, Ma'am Araceli, and Lily. Kasalukuyan po silang busy na nagkakahanap po natin ng mga dito. And also we have the technical staff. We have Sir Sandy, Sir Robert, and Emil. Sir Emil. The Young Musicians Development Organization present this certificate of appreciation to our Executive Director, Maha Olivares Co. Also, the Secretary of the YMDO, Ms. Marisa de Guzman. And wala po itong camp na ito, kundi dahil po sa aming Project Director, Ms. Irene Marcos Araneta.
Okay po, maraming salamat po. Tapitin ninyo ng tulong ng inyong mga anak dahil siya magsalo-salo sa mga baon ninyo. Maraming salamat.